Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of this siphon that I picked up off of Amazon. I originally purchased this one to get excess fuel out of my jet ski. I had quite a bit of fuel left in there from the last time I rode it, and it's winter time now, so I'm getting ready to put it away and don't want fuel to be sitting in it over the winter. So I'm going to use this to get the fuel out. And also I'm putting my riding lawnmower away. Had to get the fuel out of this as well. So I'm going to use the siphon to get fuel out of the jet ski and my lawnmower. But you can also use it for other things. Let's say you've got a fish tank and you want to get all the water out of that for maintenance and things like that. So you can use this to get water out of big tanks as well. So pretty cool. So let me guys bring you in closer and I'll show you all what comes in the kit. Okay, so here's what all comes in the kit. You get two hoses. The bigger one is about 48 inches long. This one is about 32 inches long. You get a hose holder and you get some hose clamps. And then you get a barbed fitting. We'll be inserting this into the end of one of my hoses that's going to be dropping into the tank to make sure that end is weighted down and make sure it's in the gas. And then the actual siphon pump itself, it has an arrow on top here, so that'll show you the direction of the fluid flow. So always keep an eye on that. So let's put this together really quick and show you what it looks like. So start off with adding a ring. And then what I'm wanting to do is have the longer hose is going to be what I want to go into the lawnmower. So I'm going to have that on this end of the pump, because that's the way I want the fluid to flow. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put our little hose clamp on. So this way we make sure that we have a good connection here and no gas will leak out while it's being pumped. And then we'll take our barbed fitting and we'll put it in this end. We'll get one more of these hose clamp rings. Slide it over this end and put that on the pump. There you go. All right, so there you go. That's what it's going to look like when it's all assembled. Okay, so I have the longer end of my hose with that barbed fitting in the fuel tank of the lawnmower, and then I have my fuel flow pointing this direction, and that's going to be collecting my fuel in here in my gas tank. The other important thing to note when siphoning is to make sure the collection tank is lower than the tank where the fluid is coming from. That way the siphon will flow properly. So we have a good setup here, so let's test it out. Okay, so I'll just start giving it a few good pumps with the hand pump here. As you can see, the gas is starting to flow through. And keep it going. Okay, so now that the siphoning action has started, I don't have to hand pump anymore. It's just going to draw the gasoline out of the fluid tank all by itself. So pretty easy. So that completes my review, guys. If you're looking for a easy to use siphon for getting gas and things out of your vehicles, take a look at this one.